Alright, welcome guys. Today we're going to be looking into how to log in to your Infinite Campus and look at your assessments. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to this website and type in your username and password. Once you've logged in, your screen will look something like this. Just above it will have the student's information and a picture of their school photo. Here's the area that we need to look at. You'll see the assessment column. Go ahead and click on this. And you're going to see it load a few things. So if I'm looking for a student access score, I can see it's going to be called Access for ELLs, and then it'll give me by grade level and by school year. So I need to go to the most recent version of this. So if I'm currently a 10th grade student, my most recent scores are going to be from 9th grade. And what I'm going to do is look over here, just double check that was from last year, grade 9, 17-18 school year. And then I can easily make goals or look at my scores from last year and make goals for the following year. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.